Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming eligibility and securing your account. Sign into YouTube Studio, check analytics for watch hours and subscriber count, and turn on two-step verification. Then open the Monetization tab and click Apply Now. This starts the AdSense connection. You'll need a Google AdSense account. Create one if prompted, using the same Google account tied to your channel. Make sure payment details and tax info are ready so verification won't pause your progress. Once connected, focus on configuration. In monetization, confirm AdSense link and choose ad formats like display, overlay, skippable, and non-skippable. These control revenue types. Next, set default upload default so new videos inherit monetization. Fill out identity verification, W8/W9 tax information, and enter your payment profile details. Payments require reaching $100. Monitor the AdSense dashboard for estimated earnings and policy warnings. If any form rejects, carefully re-enter names and tax ID exactly as on official documents. You're at the finish line. Enable monetization across videos and publish monetized uploads consistently to grow revenue. YouTube will review your channel, respond to any policy or copyright notices immediately to avoid demonetization. Once approved, verify your address via the PIN mailer and confirm bank details to receive payments. If payments stall, first check the AdSense payment hold reasons, then correct name or bank account mismatches. One key troubleshooting tip. If your account is under review, pause new ad changes and address policy issues before making more edits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.